In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom thumbnail to a Loom video. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. A custom thumbnail can make your video stand out and attract more viewers, so it's definitely worth learning how to do this. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Loom application and sign in to your account. This is super straightforward. Just enter your credentials and log in like you normally would. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the video you want to edit. You can usually find your videos on the main dashboard or in your library section, depending on how Loom is laid out for you. Just scroll until you find the video that you're looking for. Alright, now that you have your desired video open, look over to the right side of your screen. You should see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu where you can tweak various settings pertaining to your video. After you click on Settings, you'll want to select the Enhancement option. This is where things get really exciting because it's where you can personalize your video. You'll spot a section labeled Video Thumbnail. This is what we're interested in today, so let's locate that. Once you find the Video Thumbnail section, you will see an option that says Change Thumbnail. Click on that button. Now, Loom allows you to upload your own custom thumbnail, and here's where you can really showcase your creativity. You'll get a prompt that enables you to drag and drop your thumbnail image into the upload area. So if you have your custom thumbnail image prepared and ready to go, just drag it from wherever it's saved on your computer and drop it right into that designated spot. If you need to adjust the image position, Loom gives you that option too. You might want to zoom in a bit or reposition it to ensure it looks just the way you want it. Make sure that everything is perfectly aligned so that your thumbnail grabs attention and accurately represents your video's content. Once you're satisfied with your thumbnail, it's time to save those changes. You'll either see a Save button, or alternatively, there might be an option to close the settings panel. Either way, make sure to confirm your changes so that your new thumbnail is applied to your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom thumbnail to your Loom video. Isn't that simple? Having a unique thumbnail can make a significant difference in attracting viewers, so definitely take advantage of this feature. Now, if you have any questions while you're going through the process, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Also, if you liked this video or found it helpful, I invite you to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy sprucing up your Loom videos with those eye-catching custom thumbnails. Until next time.